Animals. Let's learn about animals today. How many of these animals do you know? After that, let's play a guessing game. Elephant, rhinoceros,
Giraffe, owl, tiger,
cheetah,
parrot, penguin,
polar bear,
dolphin.
Listen to the sound and guess which animal made it. Is it an elephant's trumpet or is it a giraffe's snort? It's an elephant's trumpet.
Who made that sound?
Is it a penguin's chirp or a dolphin's clicks? It's a dolphin's clicks.
Who made that sound?
Is it an owl's hoot or a parrot's squawk? It's a parrot's squawk.
Who made that sound?
Is it a tiger's growl or a cheetah's purr? It's a cheetah's purr.
Who made that sound?
Is it a polar bear's roar or a rhinoceros's grunt? It's a rhinoceros's grunt. Let's review.
Dolphin,
Elephant,
owl, tiger,
cheetah,
parrot,
rhinoceros,
giraffe, penguin.
polar bear.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Follow us on social media.